In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and update a table of contents in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Google Docs. You can access it by visiting the official Google Docs website in your browser, or through Google Drive where your documents are saved. Once you're in, open an existing document, or create a new blank one. Before adding a table of contents, you need to structure your document using headings. As you write your section titles, highlight them and apply heading styles from the toolbar. These heading styles help Google Docs recognize the structure of your document and build the table automatically. When your headings are ready, go to the top of your document where you want the table of contents to appear. Open the Insert menu, then select Table of Contents. Choose the format you prefer, and it will instantly generate based on your headings. Each entry in the table is clickable, so you can quickly jump to different sections. If you make changes later, you can update the table of contents so it stays accurate. That's it. Your document is now organized, easy to navigate, and more professional. Thank you for watching.